Okay, we're moving on now to the second formulation of the categorical imperative. It's called the end in itself formulation. And it's Onara O'Neill. She's a famous, oops, I don't know why I'm saying, oh, this is what I'm supposed to be showing you. Onara O'Neill, she's a famous Kant scholar. And so, and she's a very clear writer. So that's why I chose her. And so she explains this version of Kant's categorical imperative, the end in itself formulation of the categorical imperative. I think the writing's pretty clear, so it'll be pretty easy to teach from it. And here's what it is. End itself formulation of the categorical imperative, and I've underlined the parts where there are blanks in your handout. Act so that you always treat humanity, whether in your own person or in another, never simply as a means, but always at the same time as an end. Okay? Now, in brief, this is imprecise, but in brief, it basically means don't use people. Nobody likes to be used, right? And that's basically what's being got at with the end in itself formulation of the categorical imperative. Now, you'll notice it doesn't say never treat someone as a means, but never treat someone simply as a means, or what they also call as a mere means. I put that in the handout. So there's a question, what is it to treat someone as a mere means? Okay. Now, first of all, it's good to just think about what is it to treat something as a means to an end. So I might use my phone as a means to an end of contacting someone. I might use this pen as a means to an end of writing things down. So basically it's just using someone. That's when you're using something as a means. Now, to use something as a mere means is, this is in the handout, to treat someone as a mere means is to act in such a way that they cannot consent. Okay, I wrote that on our board here. They cannot consent. So that's what goes in the board. And with that, we'll continue in the next lecture.